How's it going, guys? Justin here, back with another foundation repair tip of the day. Today we have a very special guest. We have Brandon here from ECP. They supply and manufacture pretty much all the products that we install to repair foundations out here in Southern California. So I'm going to ask him a couple questions regarding the terminology that comes with helical anchors, and hopefully he can give us some answers that make sense to the layman out there, because it definitely can be confusing. Brandon, can you talk a little bit about kips? I hear that thrown around all the time when I'm out at projects.
Yeah, you'll hear contractors say it, you'll hear engineers say it. Well, a kip's just 1,000 pounds. So if somebody's talking about 20 kips, they're really only talking about 20,000 pounds.
Okay, so that's pretty simple, super basic. And then you know what? I also hear K factor thrown out a ton with helicals as well.
The K factor is what we use when we're installing helicals to tell us how the torque correlates to the ultimate capacity of that pile.
Gotcha. Okay, cool. And then ultimate torsional strength?
That's the maximum amount of torque that you can put on that pile on that specific size of shaft.
Gotcha. And then how does that differ from ultimate capacity?
Well, ultimate capacity is what you get when you put all these other factors together. So, I know you guys use a lot of our 1.5" square bar.
Mm-hmm.
So we're talking about the K factor on that being a 10. The ultimate torsional strength on that is 7,000 foot-pounds.
Okay.
So you multiply those together, and with a 1.5" square bar anchor, you can have a 70,000 pound anchor,
Oh, wow.
also known as 70 kips.
There you go. Okay, cool. Well, thank you so much, Brandon, and hope you guys enjoyed this episode. So make sure you stay tuned, and we will see you soon.